Hey guys, Ethan Stone here, and I'm going to make a quick video of my first flight with the DJI FPV drone. So to turn it on, you tap once and then hold for 3 seconds on the power button, like so. Then you're going to do the same thing with the controller. So tap once, then hold for 3 seconds, and it pairs. And last but not least, we're going to connect the headset. So again, power button, tap it once, then hold for 3 seconds. You can actually kind of hear a little bit of a noise as it turns itself on. So then we can put the battery pack for our goggles in our pocket, like so. So we've got the drone on the helipad, and then FYI, I had to troubleshoot here. My drone wanted me to connect to my Android phone, but it wasn't working properly. So my workaround was actually to use an iOS device, in this case my iPad, which kind of worked out great because my iPad has a stand and it's a nice big screen. So my secondary person who is with me today is able to see what's going on the screen, which is going to be the same image I'm seeing out of my goggles. All right, so let's take it for the first flight. Okay, so to start the drone up, we hold the controls at a 45-degree angle until it powers up just like that. And then the left joystick will bring the drone up, and the right joystick will go forward, backwards, left, and right. And by twisting the joystick, we can turn the other direction. And then on the back, we have different modes. So right now we're in normal. There's also sport mode and manual. Since this is my first flight ever, I'm gonna keep it in normal mode, which is kind of like the beginner's mode. And so I'm gonna pop my goggles on. Chris, at some point, if you want, you can also look down at the iPad screen so you can see what the drone is seeing. And yeah, let's get it up nice and high above the tree line. And I'm gonna fly it around. So right off the bat, I'm noticing this is way faster than my Mavic 2, which I also have. It's just so much faster and so much more responsive. I'm already just having a blast. You can definitely get more of an adrenaline rush flying this thing. And so right now I'm in normal mode, which, as far as I've heard, I think is like in the 20s in terms of miles per hour. And once you get into the sport and manual, you can go, I believe in manual, you can go up to 90 miles an hour. So Chris, what are you looking at right now? Are you looking at the monitor or the drone?
Right now I'm looking at you and your handset.
Why don't you, take a look at the iPad?
I did that already.
So let's do a little flying by looking at the iPad, and then in a bit I'll do a flyover of where we're at so that you'll be able to see. So right now in my viewfinder I don't see the GPS, so I'm flying by line of sight, but I believe that I'm about to fly over our heads if you look up. Do you see us?
Yeah.
Cool.
Right now.
How fast would you say that thing is going?
I don't know. No
Well,
idea.
let's see, I think it says here. Let's see. No, I'm not sure. So right now I'm flying above the highway, and the cars are beating me. You know what? I'm tempted. I'm gonna go ahead, at the risk of total failure. I'm gonna put this into sport mode real quick.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna see if I can keep up with the cars. All right, I'm gonna turn around. Wait for a car. All right, there's a car. Let's see if I can catch him. Oh yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, this is a car driving on a highway. Of course, he's coming to a stop, but still, I am cruising fast right now. I don't know how fast, but this is so fun. And the image is crystal clear. It's really good. How does it look on the iPad?
I have reflections on the screen from the sky, so
Maybe I can,
not as good as it would otherwise.
I can pause it. We can adjust the brightness. Hold on 1 second. Let me pause the video real quick.
2, 1.
All right. So yeah, I am absolutely loving sport mode. You can hear it flying over. It sounds so mean. It's like an angry hornet. And I am crushing these cars. Like, I'm driving way fast. I'm gonna turn around. If you look at the monitor, you'll see a car pass under me in a second. Oh, there it is. Okay, now I'm from a stop. I'm gonna race this car, and you'll see me overtaking it. Are you looking at the
I am.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's so fun. So yeah, again, I don't know how fast I'm going, but I have to be going at least 40 miles an hour, if not faster, probably a lot faster. And this is so cool. I mean, the image quality in my headset is fantastic. And we are still airborne after, you know, we've been flying a little bit. Like, I want to say, well, I guess the video would be able to tell us how long we've been flying. But, God, this is fun. This is so fun.
6 minutes, 15 seconds.
Okay, yeah. So let's test the range out. I'm gonna go and kind of explore. Maybe if you can, Chris, if you can record, if you're not already, the iPad screen.
I am.
And you can see the ocean over there. The fact that we're this far away and it's still looking good, it's amazing. So
You're getting a low battery
low
notification.
battery, I'm gonna head back. Low battery, auto art, return to home in 1 second. Okay. So it's doing an auto return to home. Press brake button to cancel. So let's see, which one is the brake button? I think this is the brake button. So I kind of want to fly at home on my own. Well, it's going to land itself, and I still have some control. I have at least control over the camera gimbal. So yeah, let's just record from the iPad at this point and watch it land.
I'm doing.
Special shout out to Chris, our videographer today. Doing a great job. Thank you guys for watching. So again, this really is my first flight on this DJI FPV drone, and I gotta say, I absolutely love it. Totally blown away. So fast, so fun. I can't wait to get some more practice on it and eventually go into manual mode, which would allow me to do things like barrel rolls and everything. So this is interesting. I'm completely hands off right now, and it's landing itself. And originally we took off from the helipad, so let's see how close it gets. Looks like it's a little bit off, but that's fine. It's close enough, you know. Let's say we're about 6 feet away from where we actually took off from. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, our first flight with the DJI FPV drone. This was the Fly More combo, and additionally I got this helipad from Amazon. Thought that was fun, and I'm using an iPad Pro as the viewfinder. Let me put up the camera so you can see, like, even from the ground we can still control the camera. So all in all, my first impression, I think if you are an amateur drone pilot and you are, like me, looking for something that is more of a need for speed experience than the typical Mavic drones, I love it. This is like 2 thumbs up, 5 out of 5 stars. If anything, you know, I would love it if the batteries lasted even longer, but I went ahead and got 3 batteries for this thing, so I can just pop in another battery and get back airborne. And yeah, I'm looking forward to making more of these videos. I'll try to keep it short, so thank you guys for watching, and happy flying, everyone.